So if y'all like the pink drink from Starbucks, don't waste your money. I'm going to show you how to make one at home. Today, y'all, I'm going to share with y'all how we make our homemade pink drink. If y'all like those refreshing drinks you get at like Dunkin' Donuts or Starbucks, I'm going to show you how we make our version of a pink drink. Y'all come on, let's get started. Now the first thing you'll do is put you some strawberries in something that you can chop it up in. So I'm just going to use this little thing today, and we're going to chop our strawberries up. I use these shears, and I'm just going to lightly chop my strawberries. But now you don't want to get them too thin, and you don't want to blend them, because you do want to see your little chunks of strawberries in your drink. Okay, now we're going to take our strawberries and we're going to put them in our glass. So you got your strawberries in the bottom. You can add any kind of sweetener you want to this if you want to add just a little bit more sweetener. I'm going to add just a few drops of these stevia drops. Not much, because you're already going to get your sweetness from the strawberries. And plus, we're going to be using this strawberry lemonade. I got this at Aldi's. And it is sweet, but it is 0 sugar. So now we're going to add about probably a cup of that strawberry drink. And now I'm going to add around a half a cup of this coconut milk. And then to that, we're going to add some ice. We're going to give it a mix. Get your strawberries all blended in there together. So now let's try it. If y'all like the pink drink, y'all need to make this at home. You can do it yourself to save money. That's good. I hope y'all give this one a try. If you like our video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Like, share, and subscribe. This ain't gonna last long. And when you make these at home, you'll need a bigger type straw. And you can actually get your strawberries up in your straw.